group, let me get into it.
And net control is at HVZV. My name is Beth Baker Echo Victor. We are not taking check-ins, however, we're here to answer questions for stations calling and using the basic net protocol. If you need any information, please call NHVZV.
Still showing slow play 1 hour 30.
Well, it doesn't matter, that's just...
Can you announce this is tape 2?
Right, this is America, USA, date 1994, tape 2.
Or, April the 27th.
April 27th.
Time, Jeff.
And it's 6:30 p.m.
6:29 and a half.
Right. Switch it on the side. Yeah, press that on. Set. Right.
We'll be back here for more on NBC Nightly News with live coverage as well of this.
It needs more than
In the news tonight.
Well, no,
The first full day of voting. The first day of a true democracy was a sight.
Tech those. The Sony shop wanted 50 quid for one of those.
Hey?
That's high tech, that is. The Sony shop in Kidderminster Highnex wanted 50 quid for one of those. And when I said to the bloke I could make one for next to nothing, he said, but it doesn't flatten the batteries correctly. He said, if you don't use their special thing, he says, you won't get them flat enough to be able to recharge them fully. And he was trying to tell me that wouldn't do it.
Not it. English ones take a month of Sundays and they take ages to filter the water through. It takes about half an hour. That one's done it in about 2 minutes.
The new South Africa unveiled just last night. Police in Johannesburg confiscated
I'll tell you what you want to do, get me a tissue. Don't you get that off.
They also announced the arrest of 31 people in connection with the earlier bombings that took 21 lives.
It needs to be cleaned out really quick.
He's actually moving the flyers.
But there is a feeling among many here that the bombs have somehow strengthened what resolve.
What are you doing?
I think it's like a reverse effect.
You can't use it at all now,
that. Meant waiting over 3 hours.
That will dry, it'll dry.
Tonight, it makes champions with their families. The vote is cause for celebration.
This is what holidays are all about, isn't it?
And we have live here how to make a cup of coffee amateur radio.
The trouble is
that either ran out or never got any, and the problems run deeper than that.
We can change the frequency on the rig, but we can't do this. This is pathetic.
The privately called the election, the shambles in place.
Don't follow me. Okay. Now, would you do me a favour? Take that on top, hold it over the sink.
Take this off?
Yeah, just hold it up.
Right.
That's it. No, right, I'm going to pull that in there like that. Watch the end, watch the end. Watch the end. That's it. Just let it come out. Come out the top, don't worry.
But why does that come out there now? Does it still fall?
Yes.
Right, let's just shake that then.
Don't, because you can have it all at the bottom.
What I'm trying to do is loosen all the...
No, you can have it all at the bottom where the heating thing is now.
You can only go bang once.
You can't. You just don't get any liquid of any kind under there and you're not done. It is soaking.
So just best thing to do is let it dry off for now.
Basically, yeah. Can't use it now for a bit. Is it going to need the floors there?
No, it's still there.
I'm still there.
But you should be able to get in there to clean that.
Well, that seems it should come off, but it won't.
Just take that off the way, man.
What a beautiful shot.
It's absolutely pathetic.
Absolutely great.
You should be able to clip the...
Yeah, that top part should come off, I agree. As I said, again, on an English one, which looks pretty well the same, they do come off.
Hold the base and I'll pull it.
I think this is going to make rather good television.
No. Got it?
Come on, Dave.
Sell it to Jeremy, please. We can sell this to Jeremy.
No, I don't know. What about if you shake it?
I was trying to bloody...
What about if you shake it like that? To loosen the
Come on, keep it going.
Yeah, to loosen that fly. To loosen that fly inside.
Loosen the fly inside. We won't be able to make coffee yet.
It is. Well.
We've got all loose fly droppings on me. Don't! Look at him.
Tell you water. Don't panic, Jeff, Mr. Squeaky Clean.
No, it's you making a mess all over the
No,
bill.
what I'm doing, shift that thing at the bottom. Shift that tray.
It needs cleaning. It all needs cleaning properly because it's...
I've loosened that big fly. That big fly's gone.
Good.
Right.
Trouble is you need to be able to get into that properly, really.
What about
This is how cleanly G8TPM is in the toilet.
There's that fly there, look.
What if we do this?
That fly. Oh God. That. Oh God. I don't believe this.
Don't know anything go in the bottom.
Look, mate, you really are knacking it up.
Oh, it's clean.
Here we are in Englewood, holiday in Dayton, Ohio, passing about with a coffee maker. We've come 4,000 miles just to do this. This is ridiculous.
Right.
Don't you think? This is going to make good television.
I should say warning, reduce the risk of shock.
We can't use this now.
No,
ladies and
what I
gentlemen,
suggest we do with that now.
is sleep on it, basically.
No,
Very comfortable to sleep on.
no, dry it off. Right, double
It's
time
a
now.
bit uncomfortable to sleep on. There's a big piece of
Double time
plastic in it.
Right, just wipe my hands on it.
Right, last week today.
Right, follow me, Jeff. Yeah, follow me.
Hang on. Might be alright yet.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Look at the mess everywhere.
Nationwide, impossible to pay less than. All state master up to
Bit of tissue.
No, you don't need to.
No, I mean for that table.
Yeah. Yeah, put it over here.
And we're now about to pour water down the
You
heater.
ain't got it all there though.
50% off. Meter lines buy one, get four free. Wood parquet, 35 cents. Impossible.
As I say, you haven't got one taste what that makes, and you just filter anyway. So all we need to do now is hang that over there.
What's inside there? Anything, any heating elements?
Well, that's electric, isn't it?
Yeah, I supervise it. Yes, well, there's 30 of them. I'll let you do that.
Well,
Wipe this up.
A state funeral with his admirers, former foes, and thousands of others who are gathered.
that's NBC News.
Correct.
I recognise the bloke.
Yeah, well,
The reason why it's NBC News is because it's NBC channel.
because we're in America.
Channel 6.
What's my pen doing over there?
Yeah, I didn't put it there.
Thousands
Get on like that.
filed by.
That is what happens when you're 42 years old and an ex-BT engineer. Only, what is it, £1,800,000 left in the bank.
30,000. 30,000 though.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I used to spend a lot of time here. I used to live in Indianapolis. And, anyway, yeah. There'll be,
Okay.
I believe there'll be 2 ticket areas.